Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, we are in a slightly different location today. I feel like my next few videos are going to be a bit all over the place. We are preparing to move. Everything is a little bit everywhere and I just want to feel relaxed when I'm filming. So I am just going to plop myself down wherever I feel most comfortable. And today that is in front of the sofa. I mean, I should probably move my ASOS package and my pile of books, but no. So today I have another skincare video and we are going to talk about this. Now this is the CurrentBody LED Light Therapy Mask. I have been testing it out for 2 months straight. I'm going to show you guys my before and afters. We can talk about like my overall experience, and I'm just going to give you a tour of the product and everything you get and just tell you everything you would want to know about it. This year in particular, I've gotten really into anti-aging. I don't know why, like maybe it's because I am aging, but I seem to have gone from not having a skincare routine to wanting to try absolutely everything. I started looking into LED face masks. I felt like during lockdown, I saw them on everyone's Instagram. So I was like, right, I want to try this. I want to know if it works. So I started doing my research, watching loads of videos, reading loads of like Cosmopolitan online articles, and just making a list of the ones I wanted to try. So I make this list and the next morning, CurrentBody reaches out to me like, hey, do you want to try the LED face mask? And I am low-key convinced that I manifested this, but if I start talking about manifestation, we're going to be filming this video for like an hour, but I genuinely think I manifested this. So before we start going into this, I just want to give my little speech in case anyone is new here and doesn't know what I'm like. So yes, this was sent to me, but I literally don't care. And I know that sounds really ungrateful, but I don't mean it in an ungrateful way. The only reason I said yes to this is because I was planning to buy it myself anyway. It kind of just worked out. At the end of the day, I'm showing you guys before and after photos, and if there's no difference, like, you guys have eyes. I can't lie to you and be like, oh my god, I've completely changed. You can see. I see my job here as to tell you guys the truth. My job isn't to make good products. That's the brand's job. Like, if you make bad products, that's on you. Like, don't get mad that I told the truth about it. So without further ado, I've given you newbies my speech. Let's talk about this. Let's start off with a little product tour. So this is the packaging. It's good, high quality, designed in the UK. It says CurrentBody Skin. On the back, it tells you everything you get inside and what it's meant to do. Rejuvenate your skin using just the power of light. Using LED, red and infrared light therapy, it works with your body's natural processes to tackle the signs of aging. A treatment only takes 10 minutes, and with just 3 treatments a week for 4 weeks, you can see a real difference. Wrinkles appear reduced, skin tone is more even, and skin feels firmer. When you open the box, I'm pretty sure this is where the mask was, so it kind of just came like this. It was like really, it was cool, to be honest. It just looked nice. You open up the next layer and this is where you get like all of your plugs. So you have got plugs for every country, which I think is kind of cool because you could essentially take this away on holiday with you. And also it's good to know that no matter where you are, no matter where you order this from, you're gonna have a plug that suits you. You get a quick reference guide which you can just look through to see like how to use it properly, how many times you should use it, etc, etc. And then you get this little book which says, I know I've never looked in this little book. Precautions, like if it's not working, how to make it work again, just stuff really. And then the best bit is that you get this little dust bag, and this is really cool because like you just whack your face mask in with the battery as well, and you can just store it wherever. So this is the mask itself. It is a nice flexible plastic, which honestly is one of the best bits about this because most of the LED masks out there are like a hard like helmet type plastic, and it's like there's no flexibility to it, and it's like rock solid. You can't bend it, you can't fold it. This is actually the reason that I wanted to buy this particular one, because no other masks that I saw at the time were flexible, and I liked that. I wanted it to mold to my face. I didn't want it to be uncomfortable. It basically just looks like a sheet mask made out of silicone. Here is the inside. So this is the little Velcro strap that wraps around your head. You can take that off and you can see there, it's just got all these little lights. It connects to this wire, which is probably about 1 meter long. and then you got this little USB, it kind of looks like a USB phone charger, and because this is the whole thing, you can essentially wear this while you're walking around, which is another major plus to this. You don't have to plug it into a power source. When I first got it, I was very worried about the Velcro strap, because Velcro and hair, especially curly hair, and I'm naturally curly, that is not a good mix. I don't want Velcro anywhere near my hair, but it actually never caught my hair, which I'm shocked, surprised, and delighted by. To wear it, oh my god, I feel like a flight attendant. Simply place over your head. Exits are here, here, and here. Okay, so to wear it, you like slip it on, but as you can see, like even if I tighten it, I can't wear it like that. Oh my god, this, okay, let me compose myself. You can tighten the strap and stuff, but even if I just whack it over my head and tighten the strap, I don't find it comfortable like this at all. Also, I'm wearing makeup, which probably wasn't my best choice whilst doing this video, but hey, we are here now. I only ever wear it just wrapped around my head like that if I'm laying down on the bed, which is probably my favorite way to wear it. I feel like I'm at a spa. But if I'm actually up and about doing things, I absolutely have to have my hair in a ponytail so that it kind of holds up the back. Let me quickly show you now. So in my opinion, this is the only way to wear it comfortably. So you want to do a ponytail that is about like mid-height, not too low, not too high, and then you slip it on the lowest, so like undo the Velcro to like the widest it can be. Pop it on your face and then tighten it a little bit. And for me, that's the only way it stays on, because the ponytail kind of holds it up. If I don't have the ponytail, I can feel myself getting lipstick all over this. Oh my god, I look amazing, by the way. Don't you think this is such a look? And if you don't have the ponytail, it just drops, or it really grips onto my skin, and I feel like it's like pulling me down. But the ponytail gets rid of all of that. So if you are wearing a mask like this, or this particular mask, do the ponytail trick. It's so much more comfortable. And then I just put this in my pocket, and I don't know, like I just like hoover, woo, a little bit of dust in, maybe like watch Netflix, let's not lie. To switch it on, super easy. You just press that button, that's it. You don't press it a few times, you don't anything, you just press the button. It's almost too simple. When I first got it, I was like, really? Like, what else do you need me to do? But it's just this. It will automatically stay on for 10 minutes and then it will shut off. And that's meant to be your whole treatment. I just don't feel like 10 minutes is enough. Like, really? I've got time. I don't know, like 10 minutes? Is 10 minutes really gonna do anything? So personally, I put it on for 20 minutes, sometimes more. If I'm watching Netflix, this can be on my face for 45 minutes. I'm happy, I'm comfortable. When it's switched on, it looks like this. Oh, you can't really see it on the camera. You can kind of see it there. There we go. So you got all these little red dots, and this side is like another layer of clear silicone. So once it's on your face, the light just disperses. I don't know the technical science terms, but light does go everywhere. So as I mentioned, I tried this out for 2 months. I didn't really feel like 1 month was enough. It says to use it 3 to 5 times for 4 weeks, and you will see a difference by then. And you're meant to see a difference in like your wrinkles, your skin firmness, your like, I don't know, what do they call it? The skin tone. Oh my god, why am I like this? You're meant to see a difference in your skin tone, just overall greatness. I think 2 months is a really good test period. Like, sometimes you guys ask me why my videos take so long, and it's because I really want to try things out. I don't want to try something once and be like, this is the most amazing thing I have ever seen, click my link below. I just don't want to do that. I just want to like actually have an opinion, and it takes time to have those opinions. There's a photo on their website of someone's before and after wrinkles. I will insert it now. If you have like deep wrinkles, this is what you should expect. I do have some very small wrinkles. They're like across my forehead, like here, and like more prominent ones underneath my eyes. My friends kindly pointed out earlier that I don't have any wrinkles. So when I say they're small, I mean, they're barely wrinkles. But, you know, I thought, you know, baby wrinkles should get really good results. Like, look at these deep wrinkles, they're getting really good results. So I do have some wrinkles to compare it to. But I mostly just wanted to know what it would do for my skin. I was hoping for more brightness, a more even skin tone, more firmness. I never really was going for the wrinkles aspect of it anyway, so yeah. So I took a photo at the very beginning and the very end of these 8 weeks. I have put them side by side, and what I really wanted to do is just like put them on the screen, and I can just talk through the differences that I see, and you guys can just have a really good look and let me know the differences that you see and comment them in a comment down below. So on one side we have my before photo, and on the other we have my after photo. I took these photos in front of the same window at the same time on the same camera, and I've tried my best to kind of be looking at the camera in the same way. In my before photo, I think I have like quite prominent wrinkles around my under eyes. I don't think you can really see the wrinkles on my forehead, and I don't think you can see the ones that I have like here. I do have a slight wrinkle here as well, but as I said, they are really small, so you can't really see them, so I'm just gonna have to talk you through those bits. But you can see like my face and the overall look of my skin as a whole. Of course you can see my face. There's 2 mug shots on the screen. I look fantastic today, wow. My overall impression and my overall thoughts are that my skin is just so much more glowy now, and that is the main difference I have seen. And I'm really happy I saw that, because when I watched loads of videos on this before, the main difference I saw in other people as well was this really nice kind of glow from within, very healthy, natural skin. And that's what I feel like I've really gotten. In my before photo, my skin looked good. Like my skin's probably clearer than it is in my after photo, because girl had a breakout. Oh my gosh. Like those little blemishes on the after photo, that's not the face mask. I did that myself. I had mask acne and I touched it. If you've seen my last video, you will know. My skin doesn't look dull in my before photo, but it does look dull in comparison to my after photo, because my after photo, my skin is just like, it has this inner light on days where I'm wearing like nothing on my skin. No makeup, no moisturizer, no serum, nothing. Because some days, you know, I hop out the shower and I just can't be bothered. But on those days, I've caught myself in the mirror a few times and noticed that I look like I'm wearing moisturizer and I look like I'm wearing serum, because I'm just like glowing. This is hands down my absolute favorite result of this 2-month test, is that my base now is like I have put on a lightening primer or a really good moisturizer. My base is already really good, so once I put on my serums, I put on my moisturizer, my skin looks really, really nice. Another thing that I've noticed that I think is a really good result is that if you look around my nose and like underneath my eyes as well, and just various parts of my face in the before photo actually, I have some redness. Now it's not the brightest red, because obviously I am mixed race, so like it kind of blends in a bit more, but now that I pointed it out, you'll see there is like some redness, especially around my nose. I always kind of look like I had like a slight cold. And under my eyes as well, like there are red tones. But if you look in my after photo, that redness around my nose is gone. Like the skin tone is so much more even. And even in my under eyes, now around my eyes is still dark, but the redness in the dark is gone. Maybe there's a bit still in the inner corner of my eye, but the overall redness has definitely calmed down. And as much as my under eyes are still quite dark, and I am a bit upset that this didn't really do much for my under eye, but whatever, we can't have it all. It has gotten rid of quite a lot of redness, and that is a difference that I have seen. When it comes to the firmness of my skin, there are a few points in the last 2 months, like especially near the end of the last 2 months, like the end of the 8 weeks, where I did feel like a bit firmer. But I'm gonna be completely honest, it was like nothing to write home about. Like it was a bit firmer, but it wasn't like, oh my god, I'm like, I am a baby face now. Like it was just a bit, and I feel like I could have got that same result from like a firming cream or like, I don't know, some other firming products. When it comes to wrinkles, now, because of the before and after photo on their website, like this woman's wrinkles were quite deep, and then this after photo, like there's literally nothing there. I'm not gonna lie, I had some big expectations. I kind of thought like, because I have little wrinkles like on my forehead and here, like they are like baby wrinkles and literally nothing to worry about right now. But because I saw that result on their website, I kind of thought they would all be gone. They are exactly the same. They are just, I actually think the one on my forehead is a bit more wrinkled now. This has done nothing for my wrinkles. And underneath my eyes, so I have got some wrinkles underneath my eyes. And I did watch another girl's video where she had wrinkles underneath her eyes, and then she did see some kind of a result. So I was expecting to, you know, I wanted some result too. Like give me the under eye wrinkle saving lights. But I really don't see much of a difference underneath my eyes. Like, I feel like it just looks the same. This is where I would really love you guys to give your opinion, because like it is a bit difficult when you're looking at your face every day, because like things could change, but for you it's gradual. Like, I see the same face every day, so anything that happens on my face or my body it's gradual and I don't notice it. But I'm hoping that you guys will maybe see things that I don't see. So I would love if you guys could comment below and let me know if you see any differences. So overall, looking at these two photos, the main difference for me is that I'm absolutely glowing from within. That's it. But I'm actually quite happy with that. Like, that's the result I wanted. And there's a lot of times now where I would just be like wandering around the flat with no makeup on. I don't know, I'd be like cleaning a mirror and I just catch myself and I'm like, girl, you look healthy. So my final thoughts, because I watched so many YouTube reviews of this, I kind of knew what to expect, and the overlying theme of all of these videos was to manage your expectations, because the results are subtle, and that is exactly what I experienced. The results are subtle. For me, I noticed them. I like the glow. I keep looking at myself, but I'm wearing foundation, so I look at the photo, I'm like, ah, glow. I don't really have a lot of faith in many things to get rid of wrinkles, especially if it's just a light, so I don't really expect that. But because they put that before and after on their website, I have to talk about it. And yeah, if you're going into this expecting that, I would manage your expectations. The price of this, now in my head for some reason I think it's 270, but I think that might be the sale price. I think it actually might be around £300. I will put the price on the screen now, so it is this much. So this is definitely on the pricier side. But speaking of the cost, I know from doing my research into different LED masks, they start at around £150 and they go up to around £450. So this is actually mid-range. So even though it is a couple of £100s, this is still a mid-range product. It can get way more expensive and it can get cheaper, but it's never gonna be super cheap. If skincare is something you're into, or maybe if you go to spas and have LED light treatments and you just wanna do it at home instead, then this is definitely a product that you would enjoy. One more thing I did want to mention is that on their website, they do like some clear masks. They said that if you use it in conjunction with the clear mask, you get better results. But I just feel like if you're spending a couple £100s on something, it should be able to do a good job standalone without adding extra things, which is why I didn't get the extra things. I thought about buying them and just doing like a review with them as well, but I just think if you're gonna spend a couple £100s on something, it should be able to do its job by itself. It shouldn't rely on other things. That's just how I feel about products. Like, I don't know, other people might feel differently, but I just think if you're gonna charge that amount, it should work by itself, which it does. But apparently it works better with these masks. Maybe I shall try them. I am not too sure yet. And that is it for the day. If you guys have any more questions, if there's anything I didn't cover, as always, put it in a comment down below and I will get back to you. I think I've covered everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are considering buying this mask, I will put a link down below, and I really hope that everything I went through in this video helped you make your decision. So in terms of my channel, I have a video planned for every week in May. I just want to pre-warn you, I don't think they will be like every Monday or I don't think they'll be regular. Like, I think some weeks maybe you'll get 2 videos and then it'll be 2 weeks and you'll get like the other 2 videos, purely because, as I said, I'm moving. Stress. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I'm having really bad mental health at the moment. Like, it's been. I've just seen an ant on my table. Like, how? I live on the 1st floor. When I came back to YouTube last year, I promised myself that I would never force myself to film unless I feel like it. And at the moment, I don't know when my good bits are. Like, I'm having a good day today, so I sat down and was like, let's just do it. But I don't know where my good days are right now, and I'm not gonna do it. I'm determined to keep that promise to myself. I'm not going to force myself on camera when I don't feel up to it. It's just really important to me. So you will get full videos this month. They're just gonna be on surprise days. Bye guys, I'll see you soon.